So, the exercise that we did was, the first one was to release the upper body, and when we block, at the same time we push the floor with the support leg, we turn, and then to the other side. The second exercise was to release the upper body, but then when we block, we let the hips go. Let the hips go. Let the hips continue the leadership. One side. Two, other side. Now with the rhythm, we do this.
So, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and normally I do step 7 and 3. I prefer to wait or the pause to the third. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2 to the side, and 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 5, 6. If you feel about to point the hips like to the leader sides, will help you to get the idea, the sensation. And my weight is in the ball of the feet, a little bit, not too much, because otherwise I can lose balance of all.
And the hand that is leading the third is the one that is below. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. Yes. The other one is I'm using just to be ready for the next turn. But don't leave the turn from the hand that is going above the follower's head like this. Because you won't produce the effect that we're looking for. 1, 2. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6. 1, 2. Yes, I block on 1, I block on 5. 5, 6, 7, 1. I block, but then so it is not aggressive for the follower. I follow the follower and do it on 6 and on 2. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. I think those are the most important tips. In the second class was. Yeah. The idea was to lead the shikochi by taking the space of the follower. Instead of leading by, okay, I pretend that I am in physical connection with the follower and I do this, I take the space. What happened? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I take the space. And Leticia wants to have her space back again. Right? And that makes her switch the base to the balanced base. So 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. From the solcino, it's the same idea. And I am canceling the turn. Instead of this, 7. 1, 2, 3. I am going to the 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Block the turn. Leticia is turning with the right shoulder going forward like this. But if I go here, that's why we are teaching the mode 5, because if we are teaching the mode 1, if you are a beginner, the follower doesn't save the space and we're going to collide here. But now we're in the mode 5. The followers see that they don't have space and go to the shikochi by cancelling the turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I like to finish at this after this. The second class was? Yes, okay. So, it's about going from friction to low pressure. The first exercise was to slide. No tension. Actually, there's tension, but let's assume that there's no tension here. Yes? The other, now, if I increase the tension, the pressure, yes, I'm pushing the floor more, the TC answers me, and then we connect. It's like we have glue between my hand and her body, and I can bring Leticia to me without necessarily running. Yes, I can leave like this. Dun, dun. But if I don't propose the tension for the follower, it doesn't work. The other thing was to grow. The exercise was imagine that your lungs are in the place that the leader is pushing you. I am pushing Leticia here, and like Leticia grows all around towards the direction that I am pushing, and here. But it's not this idea of going like this, it's the idea of inflate your body when you breathe in the space that you want, like here for example. And then the exercise was experimenting different possibilities. 1, 2, yes. And now the movement of the class was this how, without how. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. With circular head. I am doing constant steps around Leticia. Constant steps, not big. 1, 2, big. Yes, all the steps are the same, have the same size. Yes, and what we are doing here is we are mixing both textures instead of just sliding or compress and bring. We are doing a mix. I am sliding, but with this amount of compression that I need to also produce the movement, the traveling. Yes? So, this we might hang around 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I increase a little bit more the friction. So 1, 2, 3. Naturally, I start producing a circular abelard, a drum step. 3, 5, 6, 7. And try to lead from the right, because we can cheat and lead from the left, but it's not the idea of the class. Yes? This is one movement that we choose to explain the idea of the connection, the touch. Yes? But you can apply in every movement.
And remember for the followers about the head, once the leader activates the head, I'm going to keep it by myself, even if the leader is not indeed 100% perfect, because sometimes maybe the position that the leader is not very comfortable, but I'm going to keep my head as a waterfall. Constant, yeah? And then I just go out when I feel, for example, chicote or cambridge, to really finish the continuous movement. And in this sequence, we're practicing the circular head. Remember the sensation of the circular head? It's more up. I just stop managing from here, from my head. Draw, I draw like a small halo above my head. So this way, with the circular head, we can play with many different footworks. We can put in a walking. We can put the circular head in the cross step, because I'm not doing a big inclination with my upper body. So remember the difference between boneca and circular head. Circular head inclination up, my body is more activated. It's the same movement that I use in peão, and boneca is more melting. I have this big inclination, the movement arrives until my hips. And circular head, no. This is more.
In the last class, the idea is to produce the same that you produce from the normal position in relation to the follower, but now from this different position. Yes? So, single turn, 5, 6, 7. I turn to the right. I get into the same movement that the follower is doing. Not this, 7. 1. I go 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. Yes? And this is the contraction that I can do. In. And at the same time, I bring Leticia, or even that. 1, 2, 3. Yes, and on the pulse up. One more time. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, and the contrabalas. How do I give contrabalas while she's doing the cambre? Instead of going like this, I will give like like this. The way this in front of me. Yes, but not by doing Michael Jackson. By doing this. And I get this into this chord. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. In 5, 6, 7. Very important, super important to prevent accidents. When you produce the contraction of the shikochi, move your upper body forward, like in 7 and 1, 2, 3. Otherwise, the follower will break the nose on our back. Yes?
Define the difference between cambré and the shikochi. So cambré is this idea of stretching, but at the same time we are implementing. Yeah. And shikochi, we try to keep more our axis. Yeah. So if you look to the city, it's enough. It's not like, because I saw some photos with cambré, and cambré didn't, even if there was not even the second cambré. So, cambré, more down. Shikochi more up. Be careful not down like this. Push your pelvis up to the cambré.
One of the beautiful things of the movement is this contrast between two cameras. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. It's like the same. And the contrast between this energy, different from this energy. Yes, it was really nice effect in the combination in our mind. Alright, we're good?
Very good.
Thank you very much.